Hey, welcome back. Today we're looking at something that's not just tweaking how we search online, it's completely rewriting the rules. We are talking about Perplexity AI, and trust me, it's a total game changer for finding information.
And this quote? It really nails what makes Perplexity so special. You know how sometimes AI just confidently makes stuff up? That's an AI hallucination, and it's a huge problem. Well, Perplexity was built from the ground up to be the cure, making sure its answers are always tied to real, verifiable sources.
So how does it pull that off? Well, it's all part of this big shift they're calling the answer engine revolution. We're moving away from just getting a list of links to getting actual answers.
So what even is an answer engine? Think of it like this. Instead of just giving you a map, it actually goes on the journey for you. It uses AI to read through a bunch of websites, pulls together all the important bits, and then hands you a nice, clean summary. And this is the crucial part. It shows you its work with citations.
And this comparison just lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, that's the old way. You get a wall of blue links, and suddenly you're the detective, opening 10 tabs, trying to piece the story together yourself. But on the right, with the answer engine, the heavy lifting is done for you. It's a massive shift, taking all that tedious research work off your plate.
And that really gets to the heart of what this tool is all about. It's not trying to be just another chatbot. Its whole identity is being a truth seeker. Accuracy and fact-checking are baked into its DNA, which is how it actually delivers on that promise of being an antidote to AI weirdness.
Okay, so that's the theory. But let's get practical. When would you actually use this thing? Let's dive into some of the best use cases.
So here are the big three. First, fact-checking. You see some wild claim on social media? You can just pop it into Perplexity and find the actual source in seconds. Then there's academic research. This is, wow, a lifesaver for students and professionals. No more digging through ancient databases. And finally, news and current events. If you just need a quick, no-fluff summary of what's happening with sources you can trust, this is it.
Of course, with any AI tool, what you get out is only as good as what you put in. So let's look at a few killer prompts to show you how to ask the right questions.
Check out this first one. It's super specific, asking for a direct comparison. But look at those magic words at the end. Cite your sources. That little command is your secret weapon. It tells the AI, hey, don't just tell me, show me the proof. Absolutely essential for any real research.
Now, this one's for anyone doing serious research. See how it's got filters built right into the question? Peer-reviewed means you're only getting high-quality, credible studies. And from 2024 means you're getting the absolute latest info. This kind of prompt can save you hours of work.
And hey, it's not all about heavy-duty academic work. Look at this one. For your everyday questions, it's just faster. Instead of wading through a sports website loaded with pop-up ads, you get a clean, straight answer. Simple, fast, and exactly what you needed.
Okay, so you've got the basics down. Ready for the pro tip? Let's talk about the power user's secret weapon, something called focus mode. This is a total game changer. Let me ask you this. Are you tired of all the noise online? All the junk you have to sift through just to find one simple fact? Yeah, me too. Well, focus mode is designed to solve exactly that problem.
And what's great is how easy it is. You just type in what you're looking for, then click this little focus button. From there, you can tell Perplexity where to look. Want only academic papers? Done. Want to search just Reddit for real human opinions? You can do that. You can even have it search through YouTube video transcripts. It's awesome.
So what's the big deal? Well, focus mode is basically like putting on noise-canceling headphones for the internet. It cuts through all that SEO spam and marketing fluff and gets you right to the good stuff, the actual knowledge you were looking for.
So, we've gone through what it is, how to use it, and even a secret tip. But let's zoom out for a second. Why does any of this really matter in the grand scheme of things?
Because what we're seeing here is a fundamental change. We are moving away from just searching for stuff to actually understanding it right away. These tools aren't just dumping a pile of links on our desk anymore. They're giving us synthesized knowledge, which means we can learn faster and make better decisions.
And that brings me to one last thought I want to leave you with. If the engine is giving us the answers, what does that make our new job? The researcher, the student, the person who's just curious? It suggests that maybe the most important skill isn't finding information anymore, but learning how to ask really, really good questions. Some to chew on. Thanks for joining me.